Nobody's jamming our signal. What evil genius would do this?
Calling all Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy master designers. Tonight we're going to draw the Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy's most powerful enemy, the Dirty Bubble. Man Ray is partner in crime. The Dirty Bubble is one of the city's most powerful and dirtiest enemies. He even had his own bubble wand. The Dirty Bubble was once,
I'll be up in a minute, my little stream queen. Why don't you take a nice
let's just say that SpongeBob has managed to beat him a bunch of times, actually. One time when, one time he captured Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy. Another time was when he tried to make the whole city dirty. He was put in jail for that. Get ready, guys. We're going to draw this guy. Hang on to your shirty. Here comes the dirty. Anyhow, drawing the Dirty Bubble is easy. He's a big, giant bubble, and he's ready to take over the planet. Well, not entirely taking over the planet. He's got an awesome surface tension. Oh yeah, and one more thing. In that Bikini Bottom special, Dirty Bubble Returns, he was dressed up as... he was actually purified as the newly reformed Clean Bubble. I hope that Dirty Bubble can change his ways again. It's a good thing to get back to his normal self. Anyhow, that's how you draw the Dirty Bubble. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later.